Less than that of the Boeing 727 you're going to hear later. So starting the run now, flown by Pete Chandler, Malcolm Ridley and Ludwig Gerard, this is the Airbus A350-1000 starting into the flight.
Yeah.
By the end of June, Airbus has announced that they've already sold 168 A350-1000 to 11 customers, to Qatar, to Cathay Pacific, to Etihad, to British Airways, Japan Airways, LATAM, Asian Airlines, Virgin Atlantic, Air Lease Corporation to Air Caribs, Iran Air, and one to an undisclosed customer. More executive. Is that yours, Michael? But this is what I'm down to yours. What's interesting is that more than half of the major A350 XWB customers have also bought both the Dash 1000 and Dash 900 variants. Drifting half. High level interchange considerably. Our first appearance of the A350 XWB here at Farnborough in 2006. Significantly, an extra wide body as the design. Based by the Dash 900 replaces here in 2013. And as controlled now with the Airbus Chief Test Pilot Pete Chandler. He was no stranger to Farnborough. Airshow, in fact, he demonstrated the Tornado way back in the 80s here. All variants of the A350 are powered by Rolls-Royce Trent engines. Of the 1000 series, this one, I already mentioned, it's the most powerful engine designed for an Airbus. On the 900 series, the Trent is a little bit reduced, it's rated at 84,200 pounds. Why am I getting covered in ice from the air conditioning unit? What's gone wrong? In terms of crew, in other words, can you justice please of the hit? In terms of crew, the A350 is operated by 2 pilots and have a cabin crew of 8. Many of the systems of the A350 are derived from the A380 program. The commonality is a fly-by-wire architecture that comes to really represent most of the Airbus aircraft. Now the speed reducing. Drifting back. A very slow pass with not a lot of headwind at all. That is a majestic flyby. Lost 108 slowest ground speed today. There's the bar coming back on the Trent 1000 engine. Now that ground speed is slower than you could fly at 150. If you think the aircraft are very different. Integrated modern avionics system, TARDIS, top connect suite, head-up display, head-up computers, node reference, all that sort of stuff, Rockwell Commons, provide the data network, land systems, digital radar, etc., etc. It can crackle on at 0.85 Mach, and what does that mean? It's 85% that of the speed of sound, and fits neatly into the air traffic systems around the world network, as most of the big aeroplanes try to cruise at 85. Demonstrating the approach to then what happens is the go around, unfortunately the thrust will be just the go around hour. Out you go to 1,000. Count the number of wheels. 6 on each side for the Dash 1000. So now you can impress people when you see them coming in to Heathrow. You say, I know exactly what that is. Count the rivets, don't tell them about the wheels. The Peach Island now just called downwind to land. I know he's done that because we have a curious system here at Farnborough's main runway lights turn off when the pilot calls downwind to land, saying the next manoeuvre will be the landing. And that's on account of we reconfigure the approach lights. We have two landing points here, the Farnborough Long and the Farnborough Main, and we flip them across to different configurations, using it just for the Airshow in order to let the aircraft land further up towards the public arena. And we just use that uniquely here for Farnborough on these days of the show.
Let's look out for the nose. Once it knows, it's going to come down. 45 kilograms. Hear it? Hear this now. Chris, I'd hate to know how many kilograms I am if they just
You say you've been fat?
No. I'm saying 45 kilos sound heavy. There's a difference. There is a difference.
Oh, she's young, you see. The bones are still, you know.
Still forming now.
From Airbus the A350-1000 touching down here at Farnborough.